Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Engineering. I am Dr. S.K. Sonkar, Assistant Professor of EX Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today we are discussing the multi-quadrant operation of electrical motor. The subject is electrical drives. So multi-coordinate operation. Quadrant 1 power is positive. So machine working is the motor. Supply mechanical energy. So called is the forward motoring, and coordinate second power is negative, so machine work under braking position, the motion, so called is the forward braking. And coordinate 3 and 4 is reverse motoring and braking, direction of motor and load, torque and direction of speed are marked by the arrows. So a hoist consists of a rope on the drum coupled to the motor shaft. One end of the rope is tied to a case which is used for transporting material. Other end of the rope has the counterweight. This is the coordinate block diagram, coordinate systems. The speed and torque characteristics of y-axis of the speed and x-axis of the torque. So this one is the first quadrant that is called the forward motoring, and second coordinate is called the forward braking, and third coordinate reverse motoring, and fourth coordinate is the reverse braking. So this one is the in case of hoist or lift. So here this is the motor, and this one is the case of loaded case, and this one is the counterweight. Okay, the power is forward motoring case, TM is positive, forward upward counter clockwise direction, and the speed is positive and forward upward counter clockwise. So this one is the forward motoring case, and this is the second quadrant is case the empty case and counterbalance. So here this is the speed is the positive and torque is motor torque TM is the negative. So the case of the forward braking mode, and the third coordinate, this is the counter anti-clockwise direction of motor speed and motor torque, and the counter torque load torque is the clockwise direction, so the power is the positive. In the case is the empty case and counterweight. And the fourth coordinate, this called is the reverse motoring mode, and fourth quadrant, this is the reverse braking operation. Torque, motor torque is the positive, and the speed is negative. So this one is the reverse braking operation, that is the fourth coordinate system. This is the another diagrams of the multi-coordinate operations, like hoist. Already explained the diagrams. So a hoist consists of a rope on the drum coupled to a motor shaft. One end of the rope is tied to the case which used the transporting material. Other end of the rope has the counterweight. Weight of the counterweight chosen higher than the weight of an empty case but lower than the fully loaded case. So load torque TL2 is coordinate first and fourth represent speed, torque, carrier of the loaded hoist. This torque is different of torque due to the loaded hoist and counterweight, and load torque TL2 in coordinate second and third in the speed torque channel of the empty hoist. This torque is due to the different torque of counterweight and empty hoist. This is the negative because the counterweight is always higher than the empty case. Quadrant 1 operation hoist requires the moment of case upward, which corresponding to positive motor speed, which is counterclockwise direction. So it will be obtained if motor produce positive torque in the counterclockwise direction equal to TL. Since the developed power is positive, this is called is the forward motoring operation. And quadrant 4 second is obtained when the empty case is moved up since the counterweight is heavier than the empty case. It is able to pull up in order to limit the speed of the safety value. Motor has produced braking torque TL2 is clockwise direction. Since speed is positive, developed power is negative. So it is called is the forward braking operation. And quadrant 3 empty case is lowered since empty case weight is counterweight. Motor produce a torque is clockwise direction since speed is negative and developed power is positive. So this is the reverse motoring operation mode, and fourth quadrant operation is obtained. Then the loaded case is lowered since the weight of the loaded case is greater than the counterweight in order to limit the speed of the case within a safe value. So motor must produce the positive torque, and T is equal to TL2 is anti-clockwise direction. Both power and speed are negative, drives in the reverse braking operation. This is the all quadrants summary of the chart. Quadrant 1, speed is positive, torque is positive, so power is also output power is positive. And forward braking, quadrant seconds, speed is positive but torque is negative, so power is negative. And reverse motoring of quadrant third, speed is negative and torque is negative, so power output P is equal to torque into speed, so this power output is the positive. And reverse braking quadrant 4, speed is negative but torque is positive, so power output is also negative. So this is operation of the four multi-quadrant, four quadrant operation. Thank you.